Good morning students. Welcome to commerce class. Today in this video I am going to deal with the topic methods of training. There are two methods of training, on the job training and off the job training. Under on the job training method, the trainee is placed on a regular job and taught the skills required to perform the job. A superior or trainer guides and supervises the trainee. The trainee learns by observing and handling the job. It is learning by doing. Some major techniques used for on-the-job training are job instruction training, apprenticeship training, and job rotation. Now let us see what is job instruction training. Job instruction training or JIT is a form of simple on-the-job training where a new employee is trained step by step by a supervisor or an assigned co-worker. This kind of training usually exists for jobs requiring manual skills such as factory workers. The jobs require relatively low skills and hence can be taught in a simple step-by-step procedure. Job instruction training can be provided on a one basis as well as one-to-many. Job instruction training is also used to train existing workers about new technology. Now next is apprenticeship training. In this method, the trainees learn by working with those who are already skilled in their jobs. The apprenticeship training program is the combination of on-the-job training and the classroom training, wherein the workers earn while learning the skills required for performing the specialized job. The apprenticeship training is given to the technical staff such as mechanics, electricians, craftsmen, welders, etc., who work under the experts of each field for a longer period. The apprenticeship training program lasts for 4 to 5 years until the worker becomes an expert in his field. Next is job rotation. Job rotation is a strategy where employees rotate between jobs at the same business. Employees take a new task at a different job for a period of time before rotating back to their original position. With a job rotation system, employees gain experience and skills by taking on new responsibilities. Now, off-the-job training. Under off-the-job training, the trainee is separated from the job situation and learns the skill related to the job. Some of the methods employed for off-the-job training are classroom training, simulation exercises, vestibule training, etc. Now, let us see the classroom training. Under the off-the-job method of training, classroom methods or lecture method is well known to train white-collar or managerial level employees in the organization. Under this method, employees are called to the room like that of classroom to give training by the trainer in the form of lectures. Now next is simulation exercises. In the simulation training method, trainee will be trained on the specially designed equipment or machine seems to be really used in the field or job. But those equipment or machines are specifically designed for training a trainees where making them ready to handle them in the real field or job. Now next is vestibule training. In this method, a training center called vestibule is set up. The vestibule training is one of the methods of training where the technical staff, especially those who deal with the tools and machinery, are given the job education training in the workplace other than the main production plant. Now let us see the difference between on-the-job and off-the-job training on the basis of purpose. The purpose of on-the-job training is learning by doing and earning go together. On the other hand, the purpose of off-the-job training is focused on learning only. On the basis of type of knowledge, on-the-job training is practical knowledge. On the other hand, off-the-job training is theoretical knowledge about the job. Now, on the basis of venue, under the on-the-job training method, the training is imparted at the workplace. On the other hand, under the off-the-job training method, the training is imparted outside the workplace. So, these were some of the difference between on-the-job and off-the-job training. Like this, we come to the end of the chapter. Students, now your homework is read the chapter and do all the question answer in your notebook. And also learn for your exam. All the best. Again, we will meet in the next video with the revision module. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.